Good evening. Ira Epstein with your metal market wrap-up, and this wrap-up is for the evening of Monday, and we're at the 24th of June, 2024, the last trading week of June, in fact. Well, as you can see, the gold market did rebound a bit. It's trading around the 23.44 level, silver up about a nickel. The weakest part is still the copper market, and the platinum market just sort of stalling out. Now, the dollar was down 30 points today, giving most of the currencies a bounce. Now they're coming back down a little bit in early evening trade. Energy markets staying strong all the way through. Natural gas bouncing finally. It's had about a 3-4 day break in it. So as we take a look, before we go to all the charts, why don't we see what the news of the day tomorrow is going to be? And we have a lot of it. Chicago Federal Reserve May National Activity Index at 7:30. Redbook Group with their sales data will come out at 7:55. We're liable to see both numbers under 6% for a change. Case-Shiller, 20 U.S. metro home area prices for April. Well, they'll come out in the morning at 8 a.m. The Richmond Fed will update their monthly manufacturing sector index for June, and that'll be out at 9. The Conference Board will release at 9, and API numbers at 3:30. Now, we did see the Dallas Fed numbers for manufacturing improve. So that's good. They were a minus 19.4, and they did make a nice rebound today. So maybe, just maybe, we'll see something. But, manufacturing just hasn't been the area where everything's taking place. As we take a look at the markets, and let's go to the gold, you can see how the gold market, it's been trying to come back to that 18-week, I should say, average of closes. That number's around the 22.90 level. The market isn't that encouraging. You can see how the price action is almost like a stepping ladder to the downside. You've really got to get back up and over these highs right over here, which is in the 23.90 level, to give the market courage that it wants to go higher. Short term, we do have the swing line up, higher lows, higher highs. Short-term trend up. Moving averages, you're fighting your battle right at that 18-day average. So the bias is down. Market still hasn't got itself to be able to pick up and run in any manner. Each time it's tried it, it's gotten thrown back. And as we take a look at the momentum, you can see that you're just drifting along right here, not doing a heck of a lot. You've come out of an oversold condition, but that's about all that I can say. I'd say that the gold market is looking for direction. That's probably the best words that I can give it. When we look at the gold-silver ratio, you can see how the market is staying over the 18-day moving average of closes. The higher this goes, it means gold is stronger than silver. You need more ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold. When we look at the silver, like the gold market, last Thursday and Friday, you had two rallies that just couldn't stay over that 18-day average of closes. Like gold, you've corrected an oversold condition, and these markets just don't seem to be able to stay up and over the 18-day average of closes. In the copper market, it's still a weak sister. Could the market sink back to the 435 level? Absolutely. Now, this is the September copper. I'm a bit early in leaving the July, but why not? The big plays are going to come out of the September, if there's big plays at all. And with July coming right upon us next week, any positions you take, well, if they're on the long side, you got a problem of potential delivery, not worth the pain in the butt. In the platinum market, you've come in a vertical move to the upside. Every single day has been a higher high off of lows that hit back here. Now remember, we were looking at July before. This is October. July got even closer to that 200-day average, and you've had a bounce. That's all that I can call it, a nice bounce. It's almost 50% from this high to low, and you can just see you're about in that 50 percentile mark. So this is where the market probably encounters just the bounce resistance that it's been having. In the dollar index, you have a market that had been in an uptrend. It is overbought. If it corrects, does it hold on to the uptrend? That's going to be the big question traders have. At this point, it is still in the upside, and you're not far away from the all-time highs. So trying to say, this market has peaked here, don't get caught into that. At this point, the market is certainly in overbought territory, in need of a further correction. Will the market correct the overbought condition, or will it embed? If you look at the numbers, both numbers today were over 80. On Friday, both numbers were over 80, but not the day before. So tomorrow's an important day. If the dollar's up tomorrow and embeds, that's a good, strong sign. The odds are that it won't embed, and if it's down, you could slip back on it. So as I look at all this, you put it together and you try to figure out where are you and everything. And as I look at it here, maybe what you want to do is get our futures trading kit. In this kit, what we have is a bit of everything, from the charting software to the courses that the Chicago Mercantile offers, to links to my important data such as, and I use the word such as, the most popular chart formations, 14 of them, right here, showing you how they look, what they do, and you can print them right out and keep them on your desk and go, that's what Ira said. My free Pivot Point series. So this is a video series. You watch it, you see how this works out, you take it from there. Cause and effect has to do with M1, M2, and M3, how the Fed looks at them. As I said, the CME group, these are just some of the courses. They keep coming out with them, so there's always something there. Just visit iraepstein.com and go to the free offers on the top left, or move your cursor to the top here and it'll take you right there. I'm Ira Epstein. You have yourself a